What's up, guys? Scott Lett here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. Just been doing some maintenance on my truck. Unclogged some tips on the mini Mondo here, fix the downstream injector, just doing some maintenance stuff. I've got a big commercial job tomorrow. My business partner just finished a big commercial job, so things are rolling in. But a big part of being successful, guys, is doing maintenance on your truck. And I tell my wife all the time, I need 5 days to work and 1 day to fix all the things that break. Okay, and that's true, because if you're using these machines and all these pieces of equipment every day, things break. Okay, so I try to pick 1 day out of the week where I come home and I do whatever maintenance that needs to be done. So anyways, here's kind of a look at what goes on in my personal truck. I've got an 8-gallon per minute machine here. I use a mini Mondo. I've got a backup 20-inch up on the ladder rack here. I've got a backup 4-gallon per minute machine here. I can change the tips on the 20-inch to be compatible with the 4-gallon per minute. I've got two downstream injectors. I got the downstream bypass right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. I love this tool. All the X-jet fittings. This is my little bucket for that holds my nozzles, my M5 twist, my X-jet nozzle, backup ball valves, a J-rod. Anyways, I have a vise right here. You always need a vise on your truck for fittings and whatnot. But anyways, what I want to talk about today, outside of SH, I keep SH on my truck here. It's in the 55-gallon tank there. But two chemicals that I always keep on my truck. One is made locally here in Birmingham. And then this is the best degreaser I have used by a long shot. It's called Arrow, made by Etowah Chemicals. And I think you can call them if you're interested. And I think you can order it. It comes in 1 gallon, 5 gallon, 55 gallon, and even 275 gallon tote. So that stuff works great. We use it at restaurants. We've used it on hydraulic fluid. We've used it on cooking grease, and it works phenomenally. And then also we keep Wonder Store. We're all familiar with Wonder Store. You can order this online. Etowah carries this as well. I mean, it works on rust. It works on oil stains, just real tough stains. Wonder Store works really well on. And you can downstream Wonder Store and it works fine. So we usually downstream that. And then with Arrow, I usually pump spray it. And I will say with Arrow, wear gloves and wear pants, because it will peel the skin off of you, because I've learned firsthand this stuff is super strong, but it works. So, but these are my go-to chemicals, and I tell my customers all the time, if these two things don't get it up, it's not coming up. So, but yeah, keep the chemicals you need on your truck. And then obviously, we all have SH on our trucks, and we get it locally here from Etowah. And they also sell all the parts you need to pressure wash. So I just wanted, I know you guys are interested to know what chemical line I use. For graffiti, I use elephant snot. Elephant snot, it's really been the only one I've ever used, and it's always been super effective. Turn this a little bit. Using my new phone stand. Thing's awesome. But one day I'm going to break down all of the rigs and explain to you guys, what we use each rig for. And the reason we're able to turn over so many big jobs is when these 3 rigs show up, I keep the F350 and the Tundra at my house, and then my business partner keeps his 2500 at his house. And we all have things kind of tweaked to our preference. And we'll let this dump truck pass real quick. But I will say this, my business partner just got 2 new electric hose reels, and he's in love with it. I'm cheap, and I it doesn't bother me to roll up a hose. So mine are still manual Titans, and same with my Tech, but we'll probably go ahead and upgrade my Tech to some electric hose reels. So making some upgrades here pretty soon. I do think we're going to get another 2500 eventually. For me, I'm going to probably trade in the Tundra and get a 2500, something that can hold a little bit more weight, or maybe an F250. We'll see. And keep the skids. I love the skid setup. But anyways, guys, I got a call tomorrow. This is a guy I've already talked to once, and he wants to continue our conversation. I've set up his Facebook ads as well, and he has more questions. And we're going to talk tomorrow. So if you're interested in hopping on a call, let me know. Just text me at 205-732-2012, and we'll get that set up. And if you want me to set up your Facebook ads, I'm setting up some more probably this weekend for a guy, but I'm currently getting rained on. I wanted to show you these two chemicals, Wonder Store, we're all familiar with, and then Arrow. If you need a good degreaser, order this from Etowah Chemical in Birmingham, Alabama. Appreciate you guys. I'm gonna go inside and enjoy my coffee. Scott Lett, Iron City Power Wash.